It's like midnight. Can you hear? Is that a bird peeping? What is it? Listen. It goes on and on. Can you hear it? Peep, 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 peep. I don't know if it's a bird or if it's like, I Googled it and they're saying in parts of like Texas or something, there were reptiles that are like a tree frog or something. But if anybody knows what makes that sound, so bizarre and quite loud. Although it is quite quiet. So that sounds really loud. Yeah. Let me know. I hope you can hear that clearly. Oh, stopped. And there it goes again. I love nature. And I love you. Enjoy. Much love. What is it? Much love.